Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about this problem that I saw on Project Euler website. Project Euler is a very interesting website with mathematical problems that can be solved with any programming language. This is a list of problems. They are all very interesting. Some of them are easier, some others are extremely difficult, and they are solved. For example, this problem is solved only by 90 people so far. And it is a very nice way to practice on programming by solving mathematical and geometrical problems. Today I saw this nice problem. Actually, I didn't try to solve it. This is my first try, so we will do everything together. I suspect that finding the T16 is extremely hard, and it requires some very advanced manipulations, maybe recursion or some other logic. So we will not solve the problem as it is, but first I will validate that this is true, that T4 equals this number, and maybe we will try some to find some other uh, options like T5 or T6 and see how fast Python, and to see actually where Python can reach with on my machine. So first of all, we will visit our my Python projects as usually, and we will create a new Python file. Let's call it okay, and we will open the file with Notepad++. I remind you that the logic of my channel and my videos are mostly to practice with the Python environment and get used with working with files, lists, loops, etc. So it's not actually to be 100% correct or solve extremely advanced problems and win competitions, etc. It is mostly focused on the daily life of a Python programmer. So for this problem, what we want is, first of all, we need to create a function that will check if a number is a 2025 number. This is the first thing that comes in mind. So find is number. We will get the string of the num of yes, a string of the num, because there are different ways that the number can be 2025. For example, let's take a random number. We need to check all the combinations. For example, 1 with all the rest, 15 with all the rest, 156 with all the rest. So we need to check all the combinations if they meet the basic equation here. This is the basic equation that needs to be tested. So we will get the string of the number, and we will create a loop that will check all the possible pairs inside this string. So for I in range, the range must be I. Let's keep the same order actually. So we want AB equal with A. So first we'll get the AB part, which is actually it is AB will always be the string of the number. Yes, that was easy. And we only need to check this int nums to up to I plus okay. We have two ways here, or we can convert this to string, or we can convert the num string to back, or we can just check the num itself. I think it is much better visually. Yes, that's right. Return true. And if if the loop finishes without the true value, we will return false only in this case. So let's check if the numbers provided in the description meet the equation, the function, sorry. So let's check 81. We will get this. We will open a terminal. We will cd to our Python projects folder as usually. We will not need any additional libraries, so no need to activate the virtual environment. And we can directly enter the Python terminal and paste the definition of our function. Okay, that was I don't know why it does this. Let's try to execute the. This is really strange. This is really strange. I need to check the terminal settings later. I will do it after the end of the video. But for now, let's run the code outside the Python terminal. We need to run the function about number 81. Print 81. 81. And let's do it for some other random numbers. 52. And also for the second number provided, 3025, 52. And quit the Python terminal and execute this Python file. We see the result for 81 and 3025 are both true, and 52 returns false. So our function looks correct. Now we will check uh, if really the T4, which means the sum of all the 2025 numbers with 4 digits, are give this sum. I need to say that here we used the integer of the substring because of this limitation here in the problem, that when the string is 01, actually it behaves like 1. So if you read here this part, you will see that we need to check to transform the 01 string to 1, so that we will be okay with limitations of the problem. Let's go back. Here we will loop on all the numbers for k in range the first four-digit number up to 10k, which actually is 9999. Mm, Total equals 0 if k total k. Print total of tk t4, sorry, equals total. We will rerun the code. Oops. Hmm, this is not correct. Or let's check how our function behaves with 9801 number. I'm curious. This is false. Okay. Or less. This makes things even more weird because actually it is uh, we need numbers with n digits or less. So for T4 we will get all the T1, T2 and T3 as well. So our range will start from 1 actually, or 0. False. Hmm, this is part of the game, guys. We are not correct. So I need to investigate further why this happens. I will not do it in this video. I will research and provide and create a new video about the updated solution. Uh, Once again, I remind you that this is a channel for practicing with Python. We are not trying to win any competition, so it is mostly the daily life of a Python programmer. Thank you very much. Happy to hear your thoughts in our comments. If you have any problem that you want to see me working on it, please send it to my email or post it in the comments, and I will create a video about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.